Hello, this is my identification, and I am going to present the second part of intercultural project, Food for Holidays. I think, or in my opinion, I think that for any trip to be made, it's very important to know the gastronomy of the place, because a good trip is not complete without a good gastronomic experience. Then I will going to present three typical dishes from three different countries. The first one, Colombia, a local dish from Colombia, and the other ones, an international dishes. The first place that I am going to talk about is a beautiful town ubicated in the department of Boyacá, where one of that is chavita, where one of its typical dishes is sopa de indios. If you ask me, this dish is one of the most delicious in the area, and I knew it thanks to my great great grandmother. When she was very young, she made amasijos like arepa boyacense and the famous sopa de indios. She taught it to my grandmother, and my grandmother taught it to my mother and my aunt. Um, Indian soup is very special dish for me because it reminds me the end of the year. In my family, we always made it this dish on this holiday, and I think it's already a tradition. We also used to make arepa boyacense, but the wood oven eventually deteriorate. Now, today, we only make for the New Year the sopa de indios. Um, in order to make this delicious dish, you need ingredients like 10 cups of broth, 1 pound of potato, half a pound of red carrot, and the most important ingredient, I think, is a pound of curd. That with this ingredient we make the indios. You also need some butter and a few eggs. In my family today, the one who is always in charge of making the soup is my aunt, and in my opinion, she is the best at making this dish because she always makes no Indians, and I always repeat a second version. The next country is Greece. Where one of its famous dish is moussaka. It seems to me like a lasagna, but instead of using pasta, its main ingredients is eggplant and mincemeat. Its relative modern is a dish relative modern because it's more in 20th centuries and for its preparation, it requires two eggplants. For six people, it requires two eggplants, 500 grams of mincemeat, and a few onion and carrot, and obviously bechamel cream. The last one dish is from Australia and is a meat pie. Um, my cousin used to live in that country, and she always told me that she had never tasted a meat pies as delicious as Australian one. The main ingredients are a little flour of the dough, very little butter, a carton of milk, a pound of minced meat, and a little bacon. And most important for the season, 100 millimeters of red wine, and for the top of the pie, a little ketchup. Thanks.